Hello students, my name Mr. Devendra from Akal Academy Hapti. Today we will discuss a chapter from grade 4 of social science and the name of the chapter is Soils of India. So dear students, do you know what is soil and why is soil so important in our daily life? I think you don't know. Don't worry, I am here to help you. So dear students, in this first part of the video, we will learn about soil and its formation. So first of all, what is soil? It means introduction of the soil. Soil is the loose material which forms the thin surface of the earth. It is formed by decomposition of organic matter. Organic matter? Yes, organic matter means the waste leaves of the trees, dead bodies of the human bodies and animals, and breaking up of rocks by different agents. What are the different agents? Yes, like water, wind, glacier, etc. They all are decompositions and form the soils. The organic matter from decomposition of plants and animals is called humus. Soil does not form in a year, dear students. It takes millions of years and then after the formations is completed. So I think now you are able to tell me the soil. Let's talk about the importance of the soil. Yes, importance of the soil. Point first, it forms the basis of growth of crop because you know all that when we crop any wheat, rice, we need soil. So all agriculture production is dependent on the quality of soil. For example, Ganga plain is very suitable for growth of crops. Point number 2. Soil supports animal life and various animals like earthworms, rats live in soil. Point number 3. It forms the basis of the growth of various plants consisting of fruits and vegetables which are very necessary for our life. Yes, yani ki human life. Let's move to next slide and talk about the formation of the soil. Here's the factors which is affect the soil formation. First is parent material. The material like rocks, organic matter is called parental matter. Rocks are converted into the sediments made by weathering causes by different agents like water, wind, etc. And the relief feature is also there. The uneven natures of earth surface called relief. Steep slopes allow water to move fastly, does not help in soil formation. Gentle slope allow deep positions of sediments brought by the rivers and help in formation of soil. In the third part, natural vegetation. It refers to the growth of plants in an area. Plants bind the soil particles together and provided leaf material which act as humans of soil. So areas which have high natural vegetation have good soil. So this is the formation of the soil. Now we will just know about the various type of the soil now. On the basis of color, composition, characteristics, and location, Indian Council of Agriculture Research means ICAR define different type of soil, and the major soils are classified in 6 categories. First is forest soils, alluvial soils, desert soils, black soils, lateral soils, or red soils, or we can say yellow soils. So there are 6 major type of soil, and I think it is enough in this video. In the next video, we will learn different type of soil in detail. From my side, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. This video is presented by Akal Academy Hapti, Department of Social Science. Thank you.